If you have never seen this coding question before, it will be very difficult to find the most optimized solution. So given a binary tree, let's imagine that we are standing on the right of it. Now our task is to return the values of the nodes that we can see from top to bottom. Let's say we're given this binary tree. The nodes that we can see are 1, 3, 2, and 7. Now the nodes that we can see is the rightmost node at each of the levels. What we can do is implement a modified pre-order traversal. So we will first visit the current node, the right subtree, then the left subtree. This will allow us to visit the nodes on the rightmost side first. And lastly, the first node that we visit at each of the levels, we will add it to our resulting list. Let's implement the function rightSideView, taking the root of the binary tree, create the resulting list, invoke the pre-order traversal, return the resulting list. Now let's implement the pre-order traversal, taking in the node, the level, and the results. If node is null, return from the recursive call. If the current node is the first node that we visit at the current level, add the node value to results, recursively visit the right and left subtrees.